Hello everyone. So let's continue with that mean max or mean max. I think almost we have done. What is the remaining thing? That is this one. Yes. So here it is t of n equal to 2t n by 2 plus 2, right? This is the recurrence relation, and if we solve this recurrence relation, we will get a time complexity that is a theta of n, theta of n. How it is theta of n? You try to simplify using the substitution method. I have solved this one using the master method, and you will learn the master method later, right? You will learn master method later stage, but I have solved using the master method. You can solve this one using the substitution method because you know how to substitute and how to find out the complexity. So finally here best case, worst case, average case, they all are same, right? Best case, worst case and average case, they all are same, so we can say here it is theta of n, right? So time complexity is theta of n. Yeah, same thing happen with all. My voice is clear or not? Okay, I think this is the problem from your end because it is audible to other candidates. So you may reconnect that one, right? You reconnect and try to connect again. It may be the network issue from your end. Okay, so finally this is what the time complexity for the maximum and minimum. Okay, so what about the space complexity? Space. So space complexity is what here space complexity is a first thing that array, there will be the array of n elements, right? There will be the array of n element and each element having 2 byte. So here it is 2n bytes will be there. Another thing, there will be the variable max, mean, I, j and mid, right? These are the variables 1 2 3 4 5, 5 variable, and they all are integer type, so each one will take 2 bytes, 2 bytes. So total variables are 5, so these many bytes will be there, there will be the 10 bytes. Okay, okay, yes, 10 bytes. And another thing, so whenever we are doing the function call like this, if we are doing the function call like this, then uh, such type tree will be there. It is a almost complete binary tree, right? It will be almost approximate complete binary tree. And what about the height of this tree? यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा, whenever these calling are there, जब function call होंगी तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, there will be the role of stack, like call c1, call number 2, call number 3, call number 4, right? After that call evaluation करेंगे तो दो calls क्या करेंगे, evaluation करेंगे, merge करेंगे उनको, right? So there will be the requirement of stack, स्टैक की रिक्वायरमेंट आएगी, और स्टैक की हाइट कितनी होगी, दैट्स डिपेंड ऑन द हाइट ऑफ ट्री, राइट? और दैट्स डिपेंड ऑन द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री, एंड दिस ट्री इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री. So if it is a approximately complete binary tree, then its height will be log of n, right? So its height will be log of n. So here stack space will be there, stack space, stack space will be log n, right? So finally what will be the time complexity, sorry, space complexity here? Finally we can say this is the space complexity. One is 2n, twice of n for array, after that 10 bytes, so we can say here it is 10, and plus it is log of n, log of n. So finally out of these which one is the dominating term? You can choose the dominating term, that is n. So here order of n, that is the space complexity, right? So this is the space complexity in case of divide and conquer. What is this is what the space complexity in case of divide and conquer, and we are finding out the maximum and minimum, right? So here log n is the extra space. Log n kya hai? That is the extra space that is taken by the stack. Okay, so here this is what the extra space which is taken by the space, that stack. नाउ टेल मी इट इज क्लियर और नॉट? तो इस वाले केस में क्या होगा? एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस लगेगा एज कंपेयर टू द स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड मेथड. हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे. यस, यहाँ तक क्लियर है या नहीं? क्या चीज? यस, ये ट्री क्या होगी? दैट विल बी द अप्रोक्सीमेटली कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री. और हाइट कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे वो आगे मैं बता दूंगा, जब ये टॉपिक आएगा तब पता चल जाएगा. अभी के लिए इतना ही है कि इसकी हाइट जितनी बनेगी इतनी ही क्या बनेगी, इससे स्टैक की हाइट बनेगी, राइट? इस स्टैक की हाइट भी कितनी बनेगी? जितनी की हाइट इस ट्री की बनेगी, राइट? तो दैट्स डिपेंड ऑन द ट्री हाइट. तो ट्री की हाइट क्या होगी? दैट विल बी द log ऑफ n. और ट्री की हाइट अगर log n है तो स्टैक की हाइट भी क्या रहेगी? दैट इज log n. नाउ इट इज क्लियर? यस. Your voice is not clear. Either message me. Okay, clear. Let's see the next thing. Next thing, if we talk about max and mean, so it can be with divide and conquer and without divide and conquer, right? So it can be without divide and conquer approach, and it can be with the divide and conquer approach, with divide and conquer approach, right? So there may be the two types of approach. One is with divide and conquer, another one is without divide and conquer. Next thing, we will talk about the time complexity. So here in this case time complexity is what? It is theta of n. Here time complexity is theta of n, means best case, average case and worst case, they both are all are same. And space complexity is, already we have seen, space complexity it was theta of n, right? Space complexity that was theta of n. कैसे? It was 2n plus 8 something, right? कुछ ऐसा था. And what about this one? In this case time complexity with the divide and conquer. So here time complexity that is equal to again theta of n, right? Again theta of n. Space complexity that is again theta of n, right? And space complexity was like 2n plus 10 plus log of n, right? So here it is 2n and plus 8 byte, or here it is 10 byte, it doesn't matter, right? 10 byte, 8 byte, approximately same, but here log n is the extra space. So in this case there is a extra space for stack, right? There will be the extra space for the stack, and here there is no extra space as a stack. no extra no extra space as stack. No extra space as a stack. So this is what time complexity for both, it is same, right? Time complexity for this one and this one same, but the point of view of space complexity, right? Point of view of space complexity, this straightforward mean max is better. Okay, this one is better than this one because here it is taking the extra space, but here it is not taking the extra space, right? It means this straightforward method is better in case of space complexity, otherwise they both are same, right? Now tell me it is clear or not. So here max mean problem that is finished, and now confirm me it is clear or not. Clear. Okay, 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 fine. So next problem, that is a power of an element. Power of an element. Power of an element. So it can be a power n, right? Power of an element means it is kind of a power n. So here input is a and n. A and n are two positive integers, are two positive integers. These are two positive integers where a is greater than 1, a is greater than 1 and n is greater than equal to 1. So a is greater than 1 and n is greater than equal to 1, right? This is the input, and what should be the output? Output, we are looking for a power n, right? So we are looking for a power n. So for power of n element, you will think about this one, that what will be the algorithm for this one and what will be the time complexity, and how to solve this one by the divide and conquer, right? So what will be the time complexity for this one, what will be the algorithm for this one, and how to solve by the divide and conquer, this is for you. This is the homework problem, you will try for this one. Yes, the statement is clear or not? This problem is clear or not? तो मैंने कहा कि यहाँ पे पावर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है, मतलब किसी एलिमेंट की क्या निकालनी है, पावर। जैसे कि 2 पावर 3 कितना होता है, दैट इज 8। तो हमें क्या करना है, पावर निकालनी है किसी एलिमेंट की। जैसे 2 पावर 10 क्या हो गया, दैट इज 1024। तो हमें किसी किसी एलिमेंट की क्या करनी है, पावर निकालनी है। मान लीजिए 3 स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर मीन इट इज 9। तो ये 9 कैसे आएगा, आपको लॉजिक पता करना है कि कैसे ये 3 पावर 9 बनेगा। 2 पावर 3 करेंगे तो 8 सॉल्यूशन में आएगा। तो इनपुट क्या रहेगा, इनपुट मीन्स ए एंड एन, दीज आर टू इंटीजर और वी कैन से पॉजिटिव इंटीजर। ए क्या रहेगा, ए दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 1। ग्रेटर देन मीन्स 1 मीन्स 2 हो सकता है, or it can be 3 or 4 and so on, and n is equal greater than or equal to 1, so it can be 2 power 1 or it can be 2 power 2, it can be 3 power 1, 3 power 2 and so on, such types, right? तो हमें क्या करना है, पावर फाइंड आउट करनी है, राइट? तो आउटपुट क्या रहेगी, आउटपुट इज फाइंडिंग आउट द पावर, इट इज ए पावर एन, ए पावर एन इज नथिंग, ए की जगह क्या हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, एन की जगह क्या हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 2 पावर 2 दैट इज 4। तो ये पावर फाइंड आउट करनी है अपने को, कर लेंगे ना, ट्राई करके देखना कैसे निकालेंगे। Okay, so next we'll move towards the sorting and searching. So before that one, I will discuss about the searching firstly, right? Sorting में हम discuss करेंगे merge sort, quick sort and that, और उससे पहले क्या करेंगे, we'll discuss about the searching. What is searching? राइट, sorting और सर्चिंग के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। सर्चिंग दैट कैन बी द बाइनरी सर्च और दैट कैन बी द लीनियर सर्च, राइट? सो मेजरली इट इज लीनियर सर्च और इट इज बाइनरी सर्च। सो we'll discuss about linear search and binary search, but before that one, firstly we'll discuss about some of the things like what is a graph. First thing we'll discuss about graph. What is a graph? क्योंकि बाइनरी ट्री बनाएंगे तो वहाँ पे हमें पता होना चाहिए ग्राफ क्या होता है, ट्री क्या होता है, देन विल मेक द बाइनरी ट्री, स्ट्रिक्ट बाइनरी ट्री एंड ऑल, राइट? सो व्हाट इज ए ग्राफ? ग्राफ इज ए, let's see, g is a graph, g is a graph with v vertices and e edges. So we can say that graph is a set of vertices, right, and edges. Graph is what? It is a set of vertices and edges. Graph is a set of vertices and edges. So here v is representing the set of vertices, we will represent the set of vertices and e will represent the set of edges, set of, yes, hello everyone, am I audible? ओके, सो आई थिंक कुछ इश्यू आ गया था, तो वो जो मैंने राइट डाउन किया था वो सारा इरेज हो गया। और लेट्स सी अगेन, सो वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द ग्राफ, ओके, जस्ट ए मिनट। आई थिंक देर इज ए इश्यू इन द सिस्टम, एक बार चेक करता हूँ, अदरवाइज यू विल हैव टू रिकनेक्ट।